Do you want to see how the crystal shades from the Colorcl Siesta Weekly Edition Brown Collection look? The collection has Halo Amber, Iris Hazel, and Hazel. Keep on watching. Hi everyone, miss me? For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now, before I jump into this video real quick, I will announce the winner of the giveaway towards the end of this video. I'll also pin a comment in the comment section, put it in the description section, as well as on my community tab and on my social media pages. So make sure you're on the lookout for that. Now let's jump right into this video where I talk about the Siesta Crystal Shades Weekly Edition Brown Collection. So here is how all the contacts look with artificial lighting, with room lighting, and with natural sunlight. Enjoy!
Standing in a glass bowl at the end of a black hole, cold, lost and upside down. Faces swirling past me, all my memories rolling vastly, cold, lost beneath the ground. All done by my own hand, I allow my feelings to become sand. If you're gonna cut me down, quickly now. You can cut me down, but I won't stay for long. I'll grow back again. Oh yeah, my roots are strong.
So what do you guys think? Are you interested in these lenses? I know a lot of you were DMing me and asking me about doing a review about these lenses, and you guys also want me to do a review on the green collection. There are 4 collections. There's the brown collection, there's the green collection, there's the blue collection, and the gray collection. I will review each of these one at a time just so you all can see how all of the contacts look. And I've also done separate reviews on most of these lenses here on my channel. I will link my Colorcl playlist in the cards right here, as well as in the description box down below, and all of the relevant videos that I've done for some of these lenses. But let me tell you which ones were my favorite to my least favorite and show you up close shots. So my favorite were the Hazel ones. They're the Colorcl Siesta Crystal Shade Hazel contact lenses. I love these lenses. They go with any makeup look. They look so natural. All of these lenses look natural except for the Halo Amber ones. But these, the Hazel ones, I just love them. They look so nice, so pretty in natural sunlight and the direct natural sunlight. And they look very nice and natural in room lighting. You can't even tell that I'm wearing Hazel contacts. They blend so well with my own light brownish eyes. So I love these contacts. The next ones that I like were the Iris Hazel. I think these are the most natural. They're even more natural than the Hazel ones that I was just talking about. These, I can't even tell that I have the lenses on. I put them on and I'm like, wait, but I can see, so I know that they're on, but they are so natural. So if you're looking for a nice light brownish tinted contact lens that is so natural, the pupil hole is perfect, the blend with my own natural light brown eyes is so nice and natural. I can't express or stress how natural these contacts are. They are so natural, especially if you have eyes like mine. If you have darker eyes, I'm not sure how these will look. If anyone has darker eyes, please let me know in the comment section down below. Let the community know so it can help anyone that's trying to purchase these contacts or anyone that's thinking about purchasing these contacts. It'll help them to know how these lenses will look, or will let them know how these lenses look. I just know that these look so natural on my own eye color. So if you have an eye color similar to mine, or maybe just a pinch lighter, then this is how the lenses are gonna look. So completely natural. Now let's get into the ones I really didn't like. The Halo Amber. They weren't my favorite. In natural lighting, they look really nice, but in room lighting, they look sort of natural, but with a ring light, I guess you could see that they're not really my own eyes. Who walks around with a ring light? I know, but still, in certain lightings, it means that you're going to be able to tell that I'm wearing colored contact lenses. That's pretty much what I'm trying to say. So these weren't my favorite, but overall, I do love this collection. I do love the concept behind this collection because you do get 3 pairs of contact lenses. I also have a discount code with Colorcl, as you all know. I'll put it up on the screen right here. It gives you money off your order and it gives me a small commission, which helps me to continue making videos such as these, so I do appreciate it. Check out Colorcl. You can check out their website and you can find so many affordable good contact lenses for you to try. This collection is between 15 to 20 bucks. I will list all of the information in the description box down below, as I usually do, so check out the description box. That's where I put all the information about these lenses. Check out Colorcl's website. Check out the link in the description box. Of course, let me know what you think about this brown collection. I can't wait to jump into doing all the other colors for you all. Let me know your thoughts. Leave me a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. Our community is growing and I'm so happy. Don't forget to share this video on social media. I usually put my social medias throughout my video and description box down below. Of course, if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, live a fun and healthy lifestyle, and of course, keep up with the beauty community news, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe out there. Stay in your homes as much as possible, as we all know what's going on in the world right now. It is a pandemic. I just wanted to let you all know that I do know what's going on. I didn't want to come across tone deaf and just say, oh, business as usual. Let's just get back to colored contacts and my other content. I do know what's going on and I just want you all to stay safe. And just be careful if you are ordering or purchasing anything overseas. So thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe and I will see you all very soon. Bye!